Chewy. Do you want to go outside? Are you hungry? Do you want to play with your brother? So brother is the only thing you react to right now, not food or outside, it's just brother? I love you, baby. But you gotta leave that poor cat alone.